Hello guys, I'm Shubham from Pro Tutorials. This is the part 5th of the video DBT JRF PYQs. So before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new videos are. This is absolutely free from our side and this will help us grow. So first question for today is, which of the following autoimmune disorder involve an attack on intestinal tissues that leads to destruction of gut epithelia and poor absorption of food? Okay, intestinal lumen. Right, I am showing you how you can solve easily. क्वेश्चन में जो टर्म्स है उस पर ध्यान देना है. राइट, सो इंटेस्टाइनल है यहाँ पे एंड पुअर अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ फूड. ओके, डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ गट एपिथेलिया. That means this autoimmune disorder is related to intestinal. So what are the options? Rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is related to bones, right? Joints. So this will not be answered. Grave disease. Grave disease related to thyroid. तो ये भी नहीं होगा. Third, Crohn disease. Yes. Okay, because Crohn disease related to intestinal problem. Right. Next, lupus erythematosus. This is a blood disorder. So again, this will be wrong. Okay, from the question, understand the terms carefully. We have to note. Okay. Next question. Metagenomics refers to genome sequencing of a collection of flowering plants. No. Microorganisms. Yes. Microorganisms का sequencing हम करते हैं. Right. No mitochondria, no metabolites. Okay. This comes under basically bioinformatics or genomics, right? Then torch test. Torch is utilized in pregnant females to detect antibodies against. The torch test is what? I will tell you. TO stands for Toxoplasma gondii. R stands for rubella virus. C stands for cytomegalovirus. H stands for hepatitis and HIV. Okay, so option number 2 is correct. Right, torch test. You have to remember this. Toxoplasma gondii, rubella virus, cytomegalovirus. Right. From options also you can understand easily. Because यहाँ पे first option में toxoplasma gondii है only, and this is a there is R also, C also. In the third option, rubella and cytomegalovirus. So what about T here? Then fourth option, rubella virus only. So all these are wrong. Only the second is correct. T stands for Toxoplasma gondii, R stands for rubella, C stands for cytomegalovirus. And remember, H stands for hepatitis and HIV. Right? The telomerase enzyme has the following activity. Okay, telomerase we know end replication, end होता है DNA का, वहाँ पे synthesis करता है replication. So what is this? Basically this is with the help of RNA. Okay, and RNA से how DNA is made? By the reverse transcriptase. And what is the reverse transcriptase called? RNA dependent, right? RNA dependent. Two options are there. RNA polymerase? No. DNA polymerase? Yes. Okay, because DNA replication हो रहा है, DNA का polymerization होगा with the help of RNA. So RNA dependent, DNA polymerase. No DNA dependent, right? Peppers in spicy food are hot because the capsaicin usually activate. Very easy. Spicy food, peppers, right? And these are hot. Okay, hot means we can relate this hot with heat basically. Why so? See, जब हम कौन सा भी फूड खाते हैं, इफ दैट इज, अगर वो तीखा है बहुत, राइट, देन द पिक्चराइजेशन इज शोड, धुआं निकल रहा है कान से, राइट, द पिक्चराइजेशन इज शोड. So what is that basically? It is heat. So it is a type of heat. Also we get sweating also, right? Also we get sweating after eating lot of uh, hot food. So which of the receptors are activated? Very easy. Proprioceptors we will keep on hold because हमें पता नहीं अभी. Thermal receptors हो सकते हैं. Thermal nociceptor. Why? Because it's related to heat, right? Hot. Thermal receptors can be the answer. Next, photopigments. Photopigment कैसे होगा? Because photo is the light, right? Light sensing. So this is wrong. Auditory receptors. Auditory basically what is the function or what is auditory? Related to hearing. So this is also wrong. Proprioceptors we don't know. But thermal receptors, thermal nociceptor will be a confirm answer. Why? Because this is related to heat and the term is hot. So these activate thermal nociceptors. Right? Like this we can solve the questions. I always say terms when you are studying biology, life sciences, the terms are very important. So from that terms also you can get the answer. You have to be aware. Okay, and this will improve your problem solving skills. Right? The group of organisms in marine system that feed on dead biomass and waste material is called, okay, biomass as well as waste material. These are detritivores, right? Detritivores. Direct question. If you know this, you should answer. Now this is also a direct question from photoreceptor plant, right? Which of the following wavelengths of light are perceived by Z loop photoreceptor? Z loop photoreceptor perceives UVA and blue light. Option number 3. Okay, UVA, ultraviolet A and blue light. Next, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A, other is labeled as reason R. First, assertion. What is assertion? The strand separation of DNA occurs in vivo during process such as DNA replication and transcription. Yes, this is correct. Okay. Reason. The sites where these processes are initiated are often rich in 3G base pairs. Wrong. 80 base pairs. 80 rich regions. Okay. Strand separation means what? DNA unwinding. Right. Unwinding कहाँ पे होते हैं? जहाँ पे 80 rich regions होते हैं. Okay. 80 rich sequence. So reason R is wrong. See, both A and R are correct. No. Both A and R are correct. No. A is correct, but R is not correct. Yes. Option number 3. A is not correct. No. A is correct. R is not correct. Because हमें पता है जब strand separation जो होता है, okay, unwinding of DNA, that takes place in DNA replication as well as transcription. We know a bubble formation, a replication bubble and transcription bubble takes place, right? Which one of the following organism is most likely to be cause of pneumonia in an immunocompetent infant? Okay, जो infant है immunocompetent है, मतलब उसका immunity weak है. So which organism will cause the pneumonia in such individual? Right. Easily Mycoplasma pneumonia, option number 3. This will cause the pneumonia in immunocompetent infant. Which is most common side effect of beta-lactam antibiotics? Beta-lactam antibiotics is side effect क्या most common. We should see the option: allergic reaction, yellowing of the teeth, headache, hearing loss. Hearing loss तो नहीं होता, headache भी नहीं, yellowing of the teeth भी नहीं, allergic reaction is the answer. Okay, so these are direct questions. If you answer quickly by reading, by having the knowledge of the topic, then also you can answer directly. Okay, and as well as you can get some idea from the question itself, right? So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.